time today. I've got other things to be doing as well. Hello, back again. Got the Mavis the MX5 here to do again. Going to get some of the interior finished today, try and run some of the cable in through the bar, try and tidy up some of the interior, get some paint on it. Also got some of this as well, this U Pol GraviTex Plus. Going to stone chip all the bottom of the doors underneath, get all that finished as well. So yeah, not a huge amount to do today, but yeah, just enough to get it sort of moving forward so I can get it to the body shop and yeah, try and go from there. Want to paint the roll bar as well at some point with the new colour. Yeah, not giving too much away yet. Wait until we get to the body shop and you'll be able to see. Right. Right. Well, going to carry on doing the car. Get the gonna take the seat out, steering wheel, and sticker off the roll bar, paint the roll bar up, get that the new colour, and then touch up the rest of the interior, get the rest of the metalwork painted up. I've decided to not run the cabling through the bar in the end. I'm just going to make it nice and neat and cable tie it to the bar. So yeah, this is basically just another short one. I didn't get a lot done obviously the other day, I only done the under sill. By the time I managed to get the car out of the garage, but I've had a bit of a tidy up. It's nice now, I can actually move. Got loads of room now, so it's nice. But yeah, basically just going to get the roll bar painted up tonight and make a little bit of a start on the interior. Cool. Best way of taking the stickers off. Warm them up first, and then come off nice and easy. Well, preparation is always the thing. If it's smooth, paint ain't going to stick to it. So you basically just want to scuff it all up and the paint's something to bite to. Right. Just a bit of white spirit. Just give it now a bit of a wipe down. You MX5 boys are most probably wondering. No, it's not a TR lane or any of the others. This is basically a second-hand roll bar out of a Triumph Herald that I modified to fit. You haven't realised from the channel already, I'm trying to do this on a budget and not spending a lot of money on the car. To try and prove that motorsport can be a bit of fun, you don't have to spend a fortune to be competitive. So I didn't. I paid £20 for this roll bar, and obviously had to cut it in places, had to shorten it down. Yeah, so yeah, basically not an MX5 one, if you hadn't realised. basically paint prep wipes from Halford. Not much different really using white spirit. I like to go with white spirit first and then use one of these afterwards. Saves using about 10 of these. Right, I'll leave the hint. So, basically just going to give it a few dusty light coats, a bit of white primer. Make sure it works. Yeah. I'm not obviously covering any of this up. I'm painting anyway. I'm basically going to paint the roll bar and then mask the roll bar up, wrap the roll bar. And then, because I've still got to do the grey all in here, all around the back, and obviously lead it into the front as well. Pop up here for a minute. Let you know if I've got enough of the colour aerosol that I need. So I like to go over it with a bit of a dusty coat first when I primer, just don't give it a chance to react so it don't get all too thick and heavy. We'll normally come back with a second pass in when it's dried up a bit. Oh, it's a hint. I guess already. Ooh, it's gonna be red. Well, I'm pretty much done. I might give it another one more coat. It's not too bad. I ran out of paint. I should have bought 2 cans. Well, I did actually buy it, to be honest. It was left over from, it's actually Volkswagen, well, no, it's, yeah, it's a Volkswagen red. It's from my van. It's just some leftover red paint I had up in my box. My box of paints. So yeah, one can wasn't enough, so I'll buy another can tomorrow and finish it off properly. But I don't think it's looking too bad. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you like the red or you preferred the green. But yeah, I've given it away now a little bit. What colour? Well, a colour. Not the colour. A colour. Yeah. It's going to have 4 colours. 4 colours this year. Yeah. liven it up a little bit. It looked a little bit dull last year with just the green. The army colour previously looked. I really did like the army, but needs something looking a bit more professional this year, I think. Got to have something to stand out for the sponsors. Something that looks something that really pops in your face, and yeah, gets people thinking. But yeah, I don't think that's too much of a bad job for this evening. So yeah, I'll be on it again tomorrow, trying to tackle the rest of this interior and get all this finished off. Right, see you later.